Hello, this is Greenway with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We are about to walk into one of the most fabulous penthouses I've ever seen. So this is the door. Look at this. Wow. Unbelievable. Huge. Wow. Penthouse 4 at 2929 Weslayan. It's massive. The square feet in here is so big. And then you add on this. Whoa! Look at this. Wow. I mean, wow. And look at these views. This is a party waiting to happen. Wow. This is 435, the most incredible views possible right here. Wow. Wow. This is, I'm trying to get a handle on the dimensions in some way. That's probably 40 feet, 50 feet. That's direction. It's just a stunner at the 2929 Weslayan. I'm gonna walk through just a little bit more here. We'll probably do two parts so you can see this, but it's amazing. There is a huge fireplace here. Huge area here for you could have a massive TV. There's a lot of lighting in here. This is kind of a bar area over here. So you walk in, there's a bar, there's some wine, things like that. That's over there. Wow. Man. Over here, there is a kitchen. There's more of this wraparound patio. Balcony. Whoa, the kitchen's beautiful. A lot of cabinets, massive Electrolux fridge. You've got gas to cook with. You've got this island that's here. Really pretty lighting. Man, my goodness, this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is just part of it. I'm having trouble describing it. It's so big and beautiful, but it's blowing my mind. Let's do another video, watch the next one, and we'll actually go into the bedrooms in that one. If you have any questions, send me a text. And if you want to tour this beautiful high-rise that's unbelievably stunning, send me a text as well. We'll arrange that as soon as you'd like. We can do it by the way, we can do that virtually live anytime with just about 2 hours notice.